Fall has a way of slowing everything down. Cooler air, golden light, and that quiet comfort that makes you want to step outside and stay a little longer. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow, where small outdoor spaces turn into cozy retreats. Today we're exploring Cozy Fall Backyard 2025. Small garden design ideas for outdoor comfort. Fall garden design is all about warmth, texture, and creating spaces that invite you to relax. Start with natural colors. Soft browns, warm rust, deep greens, and gentle autumn tones that feel grounding and peaceful. Choose plants that thrive in cooler weather and add softness to your space. Ornamental grasses, mums, evergreens, and trailing plants bring life while keeping that calm fall mood. Let them flow naturally instead of forcing symmetry. Comfort is key. Add wooden benches, cushioned chairs, or a small seating corner layered with cozy throws and outdoor pillows. Even a tiny backyard can feel welcoming when comfort comes first. Lighting transforms everything in fall. As evenings arrive earlier, warm string lights, lanterns, or solar lamps create a soft glow that feels safe and inviting. This gentle lighting turns your garden into a perfect evening escape. Textures make the space feel complete. Think wood, stone, woven baskets, clay pots, and soft fabrics. These natural elements add depth and warmth without overwhelming the space. Your backyard doesn't need to be big to feel cozy. With thoughtful details, warm light, and fall-friendly design, even the smallest garden can become your favorite place to unwind. Like, share, and subscribe to Garden Glow for more cozy, calming, and beautiful small garden ideas.